All right, so this is the Rover that we were working on for the final project. It's me, Drew Miller, Alex Townsend, David, I don't know David's last name, David and Vincent. So if we run the Rover, so let's run it. So it's now running. We have, this is it tells the distance. So if you come over here, this is the Ranger, which will give us the distance when we hit the certain button. You've got the temperature, you've got the camera right here, and then this back here is a battery pack that charges the Pi, and it's hooked up to the computer. So now if we go to here, we're just going to clear this. I've got my little brother holding the camera for me. Oren, say hi.
Hi.
All right, so if I put my thumb, I am currently putting my thumb over the temperature sensor, and if I hit, you can see the temperature right now is at 20 degrees Celsius. So if I hit get temperature, it'll take a second, but it jumps up by 2 degrees. I'm gonna take my hand off, let it sit for a second. I'm gonna hit get temperature again, and it went down. Now, if I put my hand in front of the sensor, right now it's at 80, I think it's millimeters, or centimeters. Yeah, it's at 80 centimeters. So if I put my hand in front and I hit get distance, you'll watch the distance here go down. Oh, I guess my hand was not in the right spot. Let's try that again. So if I put my hand in front and I hit get distance, now it's at 5 centimeters. Move my hand away again and I hit get distance, and now it went back up to 73 centimeters. I had to readjust it so it was hitting my arm. You've got the camera here, so if I pick this up, it moves around. It actually has a pretty good frame rate. You turn, there's my brother recording us. Now, if Warren's gonna turn the camera here, try and hold it up more. There you go. This is the steering. So you'll see as I turn the A and D keys, it turns left, and then it turns right. And so if turn it this way, you have to readjust this. We didn't get all the parts from the Fab Lab, so the turning mechanism isn't top tier. Now if I hit the A and D keys, turn right, goes back, or should go back, and then turn left, it turns left, and you've got the blinkers go off each one. And then you can also use up here Warren, try and angle it so you get the screen too. Watch your finger there, Snoopy. You can turn it using the joystick, but the keys also work. And that is our RC car. We've got the servo underneath. Warren, stop moving. Servo underneath runs a rod through this, and then this turns the pieces here. The motors, for some reason, are not working. We couldn't figure that out. We believe it has something to do with the difference in operating systems. Alex Townsend has a Mac and everything worked on his, whereas I have a Dell and nothing was working on mine. Thank you. And then real quick, if we go here, we have, this is each line compiles what was done. So straight, right, straight, and it goes through left, goes through and does each one. right, there should be a distance. Thank you.